Everyone, in this video I will discuss important MCQs on C language. It is the third part. I will discuss MCQs related to conditional statements only in this video. If statement, if else, else if, nested if else, switch case. I will discuss MCQs related to these conditional statements only. So let us start. First question is, consider this code. This is the code. What is the value of grade after switch statement is executed? And you have the four options. When we execute this code, what will be the value of grade? See, the value of marks is 80 and I am passing this into switch statement. Now what will be the value of grade after the switch statement is executed? Let me tell you the basic syntax of switch case. Switch, and here expression is passed and there are cases. Case 1 statement, and then break statement, case 2 statement, and then break statement, and so on. And in the last there is default case and statement under that case. Example, suppose value of a is 1 and I am passing a in the switch statement, then case 1 will be executed. If value of a is 2 here, if value of a is 2, then case 2 will be executed. If value of a is 3, then case 3 will be executed. So similarly here, value of marks is 80. As you can see, value of marks is 80. So here marks will be passed, means 80, case number 80th will be executed. This part will be executed and it will set the grade to A. So what will be the value of grade after this switch statement is executed? Right answer is option A. Grade is A. Second, consider this program fragment. What will be printed when input is 3? So I have just explained you the switch case statement. Keeping in view of that, just explain what will be printed when the input is 3. Here I am passing input in the switch statement. And what will be the output? What will be printed when input is 3? So it's again very simple. When we pass the input 3, it will match to case 3 and this 3 will be printed, and after that there is break statement. So only 3 will be printed. So right answer is option B. Next, what will be the output of the program? This one. Value of x is 20. If x equals to 10, printf true, else printf false. What will be the output? So find the output. What will be the output of this program, this segment? Value of initially x is 22 and this is the code and this is the code. What will be the output? So see the difference. Here it is not like this one. It is not written if x equals to 10. See the difference between both. And here it is only one equal operator. It is an assignment operator. And it is the equal to operator. In this case, I am checking whether the value of x is 10. Now suppose this is the case. Value of x is 22. 22 equals to 10. It is false. So in this case, else part will be executed. But what will happen in this case if I am using only one equal sign? What will happen? Here it is written like this: if x equals to 10. Fine. If x equals to 10, and it is an assignment operator, x equals to 10, it will assign the value 10 to x, and this statement will be executed. So it will return 1. X equals to 10 is always executed. It is a true statement. So if code will be executed and the output will be true. So remember this. The right answer of this question is option A, true. Next, now see what will be the output of this code. Value of A is 10. If A equals to 10, here it is double equal operator. Fine. And this is the code, else this is the code, and what will be the output? So think guys, what will be the output in this case? If value of A is 10, if A equals to 10, here it is double equal operator, A equals to 10. It means I am checking whether the value of A is 10. Whether 10 is equals to 10. It is a true statement. So if part will be executed, fine. But what is the output? What will be the output? Here I am printing hello. So hello will be printed, and then there is a break statement. So what will be the output? Only hello or other? What will be the output? Or hello, okay. What will be the output in this case? So see, simple. Here I am using break statement in the if context, in the if block. We cannot use break statement in if statement, in if else statement. We can use break statement only in switch case. We can use break statement only in switch case or looping statements. I can't use break statement in if statement. Fine. I can't use. So what will be the output? Obvious. The output will be either. So right answer is option D. Either. It will be the output in this case. Next question. The keyword break cannot be simply used within. Where we cannot use the break statement? I have already told you that we can use break statement in looping statements. We can use break statement in while loop, do while loop, for loop. We can use break statement in switch case statement, but we cannot use break statement in conditional statement. So right answer is option B. Next, if switch feature is used, if we are using the switch case statement, and there is a one case which we call default case, then which is the right statement? Default case must be present. Default case if used should be the last case. Default case if used can be placed anywhere. None of the above. And what is the default case? Example. Suppose there is one variable a and I am passing this variable to switch statement, and there are different cases: case 1, case 2, case 3 and default case. If value of a is 1, then case 1 will be executed. If value of a is 2, then case 2 will be executed. If value of a is 3, then case 3 will be executed. And for another value, for any other value, default case will be executed. But it is optional. You can use it or you can leave it. So this statement is false. Default case must be present. It is not like that. It is optional. You can use the default case or you cannot use. It's upon you. Default case if used should be the last case. If I want to use default case, it should be the last statement, or I can use it anywhere. Default case can be placed anywhere in the switch case. Can be placed anywhere. I can use default case before case 1. Fine. So right answer is option C. Next. What is the output of this code? What is the output? Int a equals to 5. If a equals to 6. Look at the code and find the output. What you think? What will be the output of this code? A equals to 5. If a double equals symbol is here, it means I am checking equality. Equals to 6. There is one semicolon. A equals to 0. If a equals to 5, a plus plus, else a plus. This is the code. What will be the output? Let me rewrite this code again. This is the code. See. Int a equals to 5. If a equals to 6, this will happen. And then a equals to 0. Then I am just rewriting this code. This is the code. And these are same. Now find the output. Value of a is 5. Fine. If a equals to 6, condition is false, so it is false. Fine. Here is the question. Value fine means condition is false or true, only semicolon will be executed in case of if condition is true, because there is one semicolon at the end of this statement. So if condition is true, in this case condition is false, so simply semicolon will not be executed. But suppose value of a is 6 here and 6 equals to 6, then only semicolon will be executed and it has no effect. Fine, so simply you can leave this. And in our case a is 5 or 5 equals to 6, condition is false, so this will not be executed, and then value of a will be 0. Fine, and if a equals to 5, now value of a is 0. 0 equals to 5, condition is false, so else part will be executed. Value of a is 0, so a equals to, value of a is 0, a equals to 0 plus 2. So value of a will be 2 after we execute this code. So simple. Next, what will be the output of this program? Value of a is 2, b is 1, c equals to 2. I am passing a in the switch, and there is one case of case b, case c, and default case. So what will be the output? Will it execute properly? Look at the code. A is 2, B is 1, C is 2. I am passing A to switch block, and here I am writing case B, case C. Will it execute? What will be the output? It is an compilation error. If I want to use case in a switch statement, then here I need to pass constant only. I can write only this case 1 or case 2 or case 3. I cannot use like this case B, case C, case D. So it is a compilation error. Simple. Very important question it is. I cannot use variables here in the with cases. I cannot use variable. I can only use constants like case 1, case 2, case 50 and so on. I cannot use variable, so it is a compilation error. Next, x equals to 5. If x less than 1, semicolon, printf hello. What will be the output? Let me rewrite this code. So int x equals to 5. If x less than 1, only semicolon will be executed. Fine, and then there is a statement. Which statement? Printf statement. So what will be the output? Value of x is 5. 5 is less than 1. Condition is false. Fine, and then this will be printed. So output will be hello. So simple. Next, what will be the output? X equals to 0. If x plus plus, printf true. Else if x equals to 1, printf false. What will be the output? The value of x is 0, and here in case of if value of x is 0, and this is a postfix post increment operator. Fine. So first value will be passed and then increment will happen. Fine. So if x plus plus, value of x is 0, fine, what will happen? See, value of x is 0, so here 0 will be passed, and here I am writing printf true. Fine. Else if x equals to 1 and here I want to print false, so what will be the output? Now see carefully, value of x is 0 and here only 0 will be checked, and 0 is a false statement. 0 is a false statement. False statement means if part will not be executed. Now value of x will be checked. What is the value of x after this statement? X plus plus. Initially x is 0, although here 0 is passed, but there is postfix post increment operator, so 0 plus plus means 1. Value of x will be 1 now, and here I am checking x equals to 1. Yes, x is 1, so printf false, so false will be printed. So this is the right option. These are some tricky questions. These are some tricky MCQs based on conditional statements. I have tried my best to explain you. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. And that's all. Thank you.